The question asks, your brother leaves your home on a trip forgetting his suitcase. You know that he normally drives at a speed of 55 miles per hour. You do not discover the suitcase until 1 hour after he has left. If you follow him at a speed of 65 miles per hour, how long will it take you to catch up with him? And this one's one of my favorite questions because of the sheer impracticality of it, and we'll see what it means, what I mean by that in just a little bit. First thing we want to do is organize our thoughts. This one is a distance problem, and what we know about distance is that distance is equal to the rate times the time. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a little box out of this here because we have two distances, rates, and times here. The first distance, rate, and time is brother. And brother is going a certain distance, and I actually don't know the distance because it doesn't tell us what distance. So we're gonna have to put a D there for now, just to show that we have a distance. And then there is you, and you are gonna go, as you can see by the drawing, we're gonna meet in about the same We're gonna meet in the same location, right? So we're also gonna go D. We have to go to the same distance so that we can meet each other. Okay, and we know that the brother goes at 55 miles per hour, whereas we go at 65 miles per hour. Now here's the time. This is where it gets interesting. See, the brother has an hour head start. So whenever you start driving, he's going to be an hour in front of you. That's a 1 hour time lapse between your starting and his starting. So he's got T plus 1 hour ahead of you, whereas you're just driving however much time that is. So we have a couple of unknowns here. But what do we know about the unknowns? Well, we know that you're traveling the same distance. So we can surmise that the distances will be equal. The brother's distance and your distance are going to be equal. And because they're going to be equal, then the rate times the time, in the brother's case, the 55 times the however long he's driving plus 1, will be the same as your 65 times however long you're traveling. And so we have it set up entirely. And now we can solve. Distribute the 55. I've got 55t plus 55 equal to 65t. Let's see, let's bring the 55 t's over here, and those cancel. We have that 55 is equal to 10t, or dividing by 10, we know that it'll take you 5.5 hours to catch up to your brother. It's completely impractical, but hey, what are brothers for, right?